Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Julia and I'm a passionate creator and paper crafter. Today I'll show you my crafty box from Journal Say. They sent me a big crafty box with different tools and paper decorations. So today I'll show you my new supplies for creativity and scrapbooking. So if you like it, enjoy it and subscribe, and let's see the box. First of all, I'll show you the most important things in creativity and scrapbooking. This is sketching mat that I recommend for everybody. This one in green color, and I like dark green, and I like this size. The next one is not for cutting but for stamping. I think it's a very comfortable plastic plate for stamping. It has some glue background, but I will use it for my photograph and of course for showing my new tools and embellishment. The next tools is necessary for creativity. The first is tweezers. It's a metallic tweezers with a very small tip. Look at this. I think it will be perfect for my journaling and for paper stickers, of course for small details in my projects. The next one is a big circle brush for tint, for my inks, so I will use it in my works and create beautiful backgrounds. And this is carving knife with a 5 spare blade that I will use in my projects too. I'm in love with stamping, so I bought some stamps set. I had some frames set. Look at this one. It has 12 different sized, and I like big size this plate. I think this circle one will be my favorite. And of course, look at my stamping set. I used here craft paper and archival ink by Ranger. The next stamp set is about botanical them, and look at this, it's so perfect. It includes 7 different sizes and different designs. And my stamping set with beautiful details. I use here craft paper and archival ink by Ranger 2. I use black and mulberry colors. I like butterflies, I like post stamps, I like these flowers and birds, and I'm in love with this background text. What a beautiful dragonfly, and of course flowers. They are perfect. The next one is a rubber stamps with numbers. I like this size and I like this design. It's not too high for use, so look at this one, number 2 or number 3. I think it's a perfect number because I was born in October 3rd, so I like it. So it's a very beautiful set, and look at stamping. I use craft paper in backgrounds and mulberry and black inks by Ranger. And I'll show you my small design, my small decorations that I made by myself. I think it's very beautiful, and of course I added in gift boxes for my friends. I think it's a very beautiful handmade embellishment. Let's see the next tools for scrapbooking and creativity, and this is a cutting dice. I choose some frame set, this circle, this beauty one, and this frame. It's so beautiful and it will be perfect in vintage projects, in wedding projects, in babies projects, and others. Look at this, it's so perfect. I think it's a very good tools for creativity and for journaling. Let's see the cutting. Look at this circle, frame, and this without empty space, and this one, and this is beauty, yeah, and this one is a big size, but I like swirls, it looks so pretty. The next is embossing folders. I chose two different designs. This one is Spellbinder's design with leaves and with berries, and I think it's about Christmas them. Look at the embossing. I think it's very pretty. And the next one, it's a botanical them too. I think it's a Spellbinders too, and this folder with leaves or with fairs. I don't know, it looks like a Christmas them, fairs tree, or it's a forest leaves, I don't know. Write in comments what do you think about it, because I don't know what the design is. And embossing, I use white paper and I use this pearl gold paper, classic cardboard and gold cardboard. I think embossing looks a little bit heavy, but it's pretty too. The next my purchase is about stickers. I like stickers, but I not use it so often in my projects. But I like designs, so I add it. I like this design. It's transparent frames with some geometric forms, circles, triangles, and different sized and different designs. It includes different forms, and you can see the size of these decorations. The next one is flower stickers, flower diary in very, very beautiful colors. I like this pink water effect with roses, with text, with leaves, with small flowers, and of course with frames and post stamps. Look at this set, I think it's perfect. And the last sticker set is a hydrangeas. I like the colors, but I'm afraid about this size. It's too big, I think. But it's pretty too. You can use it in scrapbooking, in journaling, in paper crafting or mail art, whenever you like it. And I chose this basic set with frames. I like these colors, it's including red colors and blue colors. It's set about small frames, but I like small details in my project. Let's see the design and how much. In this design, I think it's about 10 pieces, yeah? 5 blue and 5 red. So I like it, and if you like it too, enjoy it. And of course, I'm in love with text stickers, so I chose two different sets. The first is a black and white set with small talk stickers. It's including 4 white sheets and 4 black sheets with different words, different motivation, different phrases, congratulations. So it's a perfect decorations for different projects. And the second one is a small talk stickers too, but in different colors. You can see brown colors, you can see light pink, you can see some orange or mustard, you can see blue and violet, you can see some green colors, light blue. So you have a lot of text stickers with different colors for different projects. And of course, I'll show you my choice in decoration. I add some drops. This rainbow one, a little drops mix, and I choose this transparent one. I like this size and I like to add this in my flower projects, on the leaves or on the flowers or on the other beautiful elements. So I add these two beauties, and the last is a washi tape with different designs. I choose this text one. I like this old magazine design with small text. And I chose this small decoration for my vintage works, and this one for my men's or masculine projects. One with text and one with numbers. I like this half-transparent background because in projects it looks great. Washi tape is my favorite, so I chose some circle stickers for my projects. This one in blue and violet colors. This is greeny collection. This is about orange and some yellow and brown colors. This is too cute because it's about pink and some blue and violet colors, some lilac colors, and this set about dark shades. It's about light black or gray or light brown or some twilight shades. So I add different colors and I will like it. So guys, if you like it too, you can join the journal sale and make your own personal purchase and enjoy with your new perfect tools and embellishment for creativity and scrapbooking. And if you like this video, you can subscribe me and use my personal promo code MITRA and have 8% discount in the journal sale shop. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next videos and bye bye!